Welcome to Lalan Weight Loss Channel. Discover how to lose weight with intermittent fasting in this video. But before, don't forget to like, comment, subscribe and share. Intermittent fasting is effective for weight loss. According to a new study, allowing yourself to eat for a period of 4 to 6 hours can be effective if you want to lose weight without restricting calories. Consisting of a complete caloric restriction during a defined period, fasting is an effective way to detoxify the body. Several studies have shown its health benefits. Not only does it allow the body to eliminate toxins and bad fats, but it also helps prevent certain diseases such as diabetes, while protecting the liver. Two modes of intermittent fasting were compared, a time-limited diet of 4 hours and another of 6 hours. This is the first human clinical trial to compare the effects of two popular forms of time-limited eating on body weight and cardiometabolic risk factors, says nutrition professor and study co-author Krista Verity. A 3% loss in body mass. In the study, participants on the 4-hour time-limited diet were asked to eat only between 1 and 5 p.m. Those on the 6-hour intermittent fasting diet were allowed to eat only between 1 and 7 p.m. In either group, participants were allowed to eat whatever they wanted and were only required to drink water or calorie-free beverages. Participants in a control group were asked to maintain their weight and not to change their diet or physical activity level. During the 10-week experiment, the volunteers were monitored on their weight. The researchers measured their insulin resistance, oxidative stress, blood pressure, LDL and HDL cholesterol levels, triglycerides and inflammatory markers. The results showed that in both groups of volunteers practicing intermittent fasting, participants reduced their caloric intake by about 550 calories each day and lost about 3% of their body mass. The researchers also found that insulin resistance and oxidative stress levels were reduced in the study group participants compared to the control group. However, they found no effect on blood pressure, LDL cholesterol, HDL cholesterol or triglycerides. The results of this study are promising and reinforce what we've seen in other studies. Fasting diets are a viable option for people who want to lose weight, especially for those who don't want to count calories or who find other diets tiring, says Professor Verity. It's also telling that there was no additional weight loss benefit for those who followed a longer fast. Until we have more studies that directly compare the two diets or seek to study the optimal timing of fasting, these results suggest that the 6-hour fast might make sense for most people who want to follow a daily fasting regimen. Thanks for watching the video. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe and share.